Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Makia Forex, and in this video I will show you guys how you can place a trade on MT5, how you can manage your trades, how you can put your stop loss, TP, and how you can put pending orders on your MT5 and connect it to your broker. So with that said, before we get into this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comment section. So we are continuing our series. So this is our GPUSD. Because the market is it's Friday and the market is slow, I will not trade GPUSD. I'll look for a pair like Bitcoin. So I'll come to market watch and I'll click BTC. So I'll choose Bitcoin USD. I'll click open and I'll open my charts on Bitcoin. So this is the Bitcoin chart over here. The reason why I'm using Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is quite volatile and it's fast compared to GPUSD, which is already weak on Friday, and it's already Friday. The market's almost going to close very soon, so it's not volatile at all. So how do I copy this my background and this my template to the other place? I'll just come to templates, I'll click save template, I'll use any name. Okay, FFGG, I'll just click save. I've saved the template. I'll come to BTC chart, which will normally be like that. Each time you open a new chart, it will just be default. So you come to just templates and you click where you have saved your template. You come to FFG. That's it. The template now becomes the same. So how do you open your trades? You come to this area over here. This is a depth of market, which is another advanced topic to teach you people. But let's come to this area. This is your trading panel. So when you click on this particular area, you will see it like that. You will see sell, you will see buy, you will see the current price 67,000. You will see the current price, the bid price, and the sell price. So this area is where you arrange it. This 0.01 is the minimum lot size. It's what we call a micro lot. So 0.1. So when you put 0.1 like that, it's called a mini lot. When you put one like you see like right here, it's called a standard lot. So you can always add and reduce this thing, because this is how you manage your trade. This is what we call risk management, lot size, and all these other things, which I'll teach you guys in a different topic. So for this particular stuff, we are looking at our account size, which is just $500, meaning that we cannot use anything more than 0.1 to trade. So I'll reduce this thing like this. You can always add it like this by pressing this button. You can always reduce it like this by pressing this button like this. So I'll come all the way to 0.10. Okay, like this, and I'll press a buy trade. So when you click buy trade now, for the very first time, you'll see one click trading, which you want to accept, because each time you want to take a trade, you always see this will always pop up if you don't accept this one click trading. Okay, so I'll just click accept the conditions. You don't even have to read them. You just press OK, and next time you want to take a trade, it will just open. That's it. Once you hear that sound tap, it means that you have opened your trade. You will see a blue icon, a blue arrow pointing to the upside to tell you that what you're buying. If you are selling, you will see a red icon pointing to the downside. Now the reason is because this blue icon tells you that you're buying, the sell icon tells you that you're selling, is so that you can be able to manage your trades. Now once you've bought right now, you're supposed to manage your trade. That's, you're supposed to look at your stop loss, your TP, your take profit, and other things which are also very important. So let me first of all manage my trades first. I'll first of all start by drawing my lines. You can see this area is an area of, it's a resistance area. So if I'm to take any buy, I want to put my TP around this area or this area, because previously price came and reacted at this particular area. But first of all, Bitcoin is on a bullish trend, as you can clearly see. Ever since it dropped to this 63,000 level, it's on a bullish trend. Yesterday was bearish, but today you can see it's bullish, and even though it's consolidating here, but it's on a bullish trend. And if you just put your TP around this area like that, you will see that you've move the market about 31,621 points. That's how you've moved the market. So when you do that, you'll put your TP, which is just $31.62. Now, how do you put your stop loss? You just go to that same area, you drag it all the way down. You can see stop loss is 40,000 points. You can see. So this trade is not a good trade because my stop loss is big compared to my CP, but it's because we are entering a trade very late, and it's not going to be a very good trade, because I love trades where you're actually watching at your stop loss so that you don't take a bad trade. So this is how you open your trade. You just buy by clicking the buy button over here. If you want to sell, you can press the sell button over here. Each time you take a trade, you always be in a losing position for it. Why? Because of the spreads. But after that, you will normally get back to the winning position. That's if your trade goes in your direction. But as if you have just put your stop loss on your TP, then you're always safe, because no matter how market moves, if it gets to this particular area, you'll be stopped out of the market. If it goes to the other area, you'll make your profits from the market. So it's always good as a trader to always have a stop loss and a TP in trading. So you can see that our entry was actually at a tanker area. You can see that we entered very late. This is a bad area to enter because of this technical resistance here, but the market can still go in our direction. That's if we manage our stop loss by putting it all the way down here. It can always go in our direction, but for the sake of this video, I'll just keep it the same. I'll not move the stop loss in any way because it's not going to help anybody over here. So this is here, the market is going in the other area. So if you want to close your trades early, what do? You come to this place here, you click close. You have closed your trades. Now if you want to sell, you can click sell. You can always click sell. If you want to add more positions, you just double your positions by adding them continuously. You can see. Then if you want to now manage your stop loss, you push it all the way up like that. So you can see that this trade was in profits because the market was moving in the bearish direction. Actually, when I went to the smaller time frame, I saw it clearly. But this is how you can do it. You can always, like, manage your trades, put your stop loss, put your TPs, and allow the market to move the way it wants to move. That's it. So how do you arrange it over here? So in this particular area, you can always arrange your stop loss and your TP by coming to this area like this and clicking over here. Stop loss, you can always move it there. You can always move your stop loss, or you can even come to this area, in this points area. You can add the points to move your stop loss. You see, this how you can move your stop loss. So you can see that's your stop loss. You can see now arrange it by putting over here. So you can see that we're in profits because the market is going in a bearish direction, and it may get to our area of interest. So this is how you place your trades on MT5 and on MT4, depending on you. If you want to close all your trades, you can click this area, you come to bulk operations, and you can press close all positions. You close all your trades. So that's how you use this particular feature on MT5. Thanks for watching. Bye.